morning, students. Today we will discuss about the prokaryotic cell. Okay. In the last class, we had discussed what are the differences of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So one by one, we will see in detail about prokaryotic and then we will go for the eukaryotic cell. Okay. So first you see that is in prokaryotic cell, I have given prokaryotic cell. Here in the prokaryotic cell, one of the example is there, that it is bacteria. Okay, one of the common example is bacteria. So first we will see about the bacteria. Okay, here bacteria, it is a singular bacterium among all the organisms. If we see the bacteria, it is one of the smallest organisms, okay, which we cannot see with our naked eyes. They are primitive, simple, unicellular, prokaryotic. So here bacteria are simple, primitive, unicellular, and one more thing that it is, they are prokaryotic. Okay, the next here, they are the microscopic organism. See, these bacteria, this organism which cannot see with our naked eye. Okay, we have to use the microscope to visualize that bacteria. So that is the thing. Here is microscopic organism. Okay, the next all bacteria are structurally relatively homogeneous. Their structure will be same, but their chemical activities and ecological lineages. See here, all bacteria, their structure is homogeneous, but their biochemical activities, and ecological lineages okay, in the ecosystem, their position, that is the ecological lineages, it will be different, okay, for which a metabolic specialization will be there. For a biochemical activities, it will be different, but their structure will be same, homogeneous. Okay, the next thing about the bacteria, bacteria occur almost everywhere, in air, soil, water, on animals, plants. Okay, it occurs everywhere inside the other organism also. Okay, so they are found in a stagnant ponds, ditches, running streams, rivers, lakes, seas, everywhere. See, they found bacteria. If you talk about their habitat, they found everywhere. Found everywhere. Everywhere means what? Where? Means that is soil, water, then air, soil, water, then and inside the some other organism. Okay, inside in some other organism. If they are surviving inside the other organism, then we can call it as the parasite. What? The bacteria or any organism which are surviving in some other's body, some other organism's body, then we can call it as them as the parasite. Okay, the next here, not only in some common places, that is commonly soil, water and air. Soil, water and air. Okay, here not only in that, It is found in the stagnant water also, that is found rivers, lakes, oceans, okay, seawater, foods, petroleum, oils. Except these, they also found in the food, petroleum. In fuels also, you will find certain type of bacteria, petroleum, oils, etc. Everywhere you go on the surface of the this board, on this pan, everywhere you will find the bacteria. Okay, so here they also found in the decaying organic matter. Well, they will also found in decaying organic matter. Okay, so here they also found in the tracks of human and animals, and as well as they also found in the plants, okay, by causing some of the diseases. See, bacteria can survive in a high mountains. They also found in the on the high mountains. Okay, then they also found in ice cold regions. They also found in a acidic condition. And they also found about 100 degrees Celsius temperature. Temperature about 100 degrees Celsius. In the hot springs, what we call geysers, water heaters, in that also you will find the bacteria. In the refrigerator, where the temperature is below 0 degree, there also you will find the bacteria. Okay, so in this sense, wherever you go, you will find the bacteria. Okay, so these bacteria are some, see, if we talk about the mode of nutrition, let's see, this is the habitat, these are some basic characters of bacteria. Next we will go for the how they are going to feed, what is the mode of nutrition. Now next one, their mode of nutrition. What is the mode of nutrition in bacteria? So see here, first of all, they either an autotrophic. First of all, some of them are autotrophic. What do you mean by autotrophic? Means they will prepare their own food. Okay, Autotrophic means some are photoautotrophic, means utilizing the food from the sunlight. Okay, that is some are photoautotrophic, some are chemoautotrophic. Okay, what? Some are photoautotrophic means by sunlight. Photoautotrophic means they are utilizing the food by sunlight. Chemoautotrophic means they are utilizing the food by the chemicals. Chemo by chemicals. Okay. Autotrophs means they prepare their own food, such as the plants. This is one mode of nutrition in the bacteria. Second one, that it is heterotrophic. Autotrophic or heterotrophic. Secondly, heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means which are dependent on others for food. Okay, dependent on others for food. So they are known as the heterotrophic. Heterotrophic, in that further it has been classified into two types. Either they will be saprophytic or parasitic. Saprophytic means which feed on dead and decaying matter. Okay, which utilize the food from the dead and decaying matter. They are known as the saprophytes. Parasite means which lives inside the body of some other organisms. Okay, they are the parasites. So here this is and some of the bacteria are pathogenic. If they are parasites, means living inside the some other organism, inside the body of some other organism. For example, one example is there of bacteria, that it is the Salmonella typhi. It survives inside the body of the human being or a man. Okay, which causes a disease, that is the typhoid. If that any organism which is causing the disease, that is known as the pathogens. Here, most of the bacteria are pathogenic. Pathogenic means they are disease causing to or pathogenic to most of the plants and animals. Okay, they are causing the disease in the plants and the animals. Okay, the next we will see what is the size of bacteria. Next character, size of bacteria. Next, size of bacteria. Here, in the size of bacteria, they typically ranges between 1 micrometer. How much it is? It ranges between 1 micrometer. What is the typical size, common size of bacteria? Means that it is 1 micrometer to 3 micrometer. One micrometer to 3 micrometer. So they are barely visible under the light microscope. The smallest bacterium, the size of the smallest bacterium is it is of 0.15 to 0.3 micrometer. This is the size of one of the smallest bacteria. And the name of that bacteria is Dialister pneumocymtis. Dialister pneumocymtis. Okay, this is one of the smallest bacteria whose size ranging between the 0.15 to 0.3 micrometer. And the largest bacteria is the spirulum. Which is the largest bacteria? That is the spirulum, whose size is 13 to 15 micrometer in length. How much it is? It is around 13 to 15 micrometer in length. Okay. The next come to the what are the different forms of bacteria based on the shape and size. What are the different types of bacteria? So let's see that one. Forms of bacteria. Here we had talked about the size of bacteria. Next, forms of bacteria. Next, forms of bacteria. Okay, here in the forms of bacteria, bacteria vary in their shapes. Means there are different shapes of bacteria, or among the bacteria there are different shapes you can see. Based on their shape, bacteria are classified into the following groups. The first one among that is the cocci. What it is? Cocci. First is the cocci. Here, these bacteria are spherical or round in shape. How means like this? Spherical or round in shape. Okay. if it is occurring singly, not in colonies or in a group, if this bacteria occur singly, it is known as the micrococci. What it is known as? It is known as the shape of bacteria is here is spherical or round in shape. Spherical or round in shape. If it is occurring in a single means it is known as the micrococci. In pairs means like this. In pairs if it is occurring means then it is known as the diplococci. Example for diplococci is pneumonia. In pairs means it is known as the diplococci. If it is present in a group of 4, such as like this, in a group of 4. If it is present in a group of 4, then it is known as the tetracocci. What it is? Tetracocci. Okay, then if it is more than 8, okay, more than 8 means then we can call it as the Sacrophytes. More than 8 means it will be like this. In a group there will be presence of more than 8 bacteria, then it is known as the Sacrophytes. This is one form of what? Of cocci. What it is? Monococcus, Diplococcus, Tetracoccus, Staphylococcus. Then Sacrophytes. The next, if it is occurring in a bead-like chain, then it is known as the, like this, bead-like chain. Occurring in a bead-like chain, then it is known as the Streptococci. Streptococcus. What it is known as? It is known as the Streptococcus. So these are the different forms of bacteria based on their shape, which are spherical or round in shape. Okay, that bacteria which are known as cocci, micrococci, diplococci, tetracocci, Sacrophytes and Streptococci. The next comes the next shape. What is that? Means that it is a bacilli. So let's see here. Next one, it is bacilli. Second form is the bacilli. See, cocci means that we are calling it as, if the bacteria shape is round or spherical, so then we are calling cocci. Bacilli means if the shape of the bacteria will be rod-like. Here, the shape of bacteria, if it is rod-like, then we can call it as the bacilli. Okay, singular means that it is the bacillus. Mostly they occur singly and occasionally. Singly means bacillus. Then if it is occasionally, most of the bacillus will be located or present in a singular form. Some of them found in pairs. Found in pairs like this. First of all, the shape of bacteria is rod shape. Then it is known as the bacilli. If it is present in two pairs, means in a pair, then it is known as the diplobacilli. Diplobacilli means how means like this pairs. What it is? This is a diplobacilli. Okay, if it present in a chain like this, if it is present in a chain, then it is known as the streptobacilli. What it is? Streptobacilli. Okay, so this is about what? Bacillus. See, bacillus will cause the most of the notorious diseases such as tuberculosis, tetanus. Bacilli will cause some of the diseases such as tuberculosis, tetanus. Okay, except that they also cause the typhoid, diphtheria, So all these diseases are caused by the bacteria whose shape is in a rod-like form, to which we are calling it as the bacilli. The next, the third form is known as the spirilla. Third one is the spirilla. Okay, spirilla means where these are also called as the spirochetes. What they are also known as spirochetes. These are the spiral shaped bacteria. Spiral shaped bacteria, and they are also motile bacteria. Spiral shaped means will be like this, in a form of string. Spiral shape, and they have some locomotory organs or the motility structures by which we are calling they are able to move from one place to another place. That is the thing we are calling it as the motile bacteria. Some of the examples of over here, it is syphilis. Example for this spirilla, that is syphilis. Okay, then fourth form is there, which is known as the vibrio. Fourth form among the bacteria. Fourth one, vibrios. Okay, vibrios, these are comma-shaped bacteria. How it is? Comma-shaped bacteria bent like structures. Here, like this. comma-shaped bacteria. Vibrios means comma-shaped bacteria. To them, they are calling it as the vibrios. Okay. So these are cause human health disease such as the cholera. Causes the disease cholera. One of the name of the bacteria is Vibrio cholera. So this is about what? The 4 forms of bacteria. Okay. The next we will go for the structure of bacteria. Before that, we have to see about the gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. So that we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.